So, I've picked up a new piece of camera equipment today, so maybe I can get some better videos in season 3. So I got one of these. And now look at that. I should be able to get angles that I was never able to get before.
Me and the boys was sitting around drinking, we was talking about things that we was thinking, when all of a sudden what comes out of Bill's mouth? Said I'm getting old and fat and slow, and I don't recover like I did before from nights of rabble, rousing and too much fun. Well, I looked around and we all agreed, and I had a drink and I ordered 3, and I staggered back to do it all again. Then we made an oath on a rum and coke with the best intention, I'm sure you know, that we would stop this living in excess. We're gonna have one more party, one more special occasion. Do it Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, holidays and weekends. We can have one more party. There's more hell we should be raising. One more party now, one more party tonight.
Okay, we're on to season 3 of Roger's D100. Let's see what can we do this year to make this truck better. First thing, probably clean paint. That's the biggest mess. You know, this truck has been filthy. You've seen a couple videos already on just how much mold and mildew was baked into this paint and how much rust was on the top there that still needs to be cleaned up a bit. I need to replace or find the missing letters to finish out my Dodge. Maybe find a new E that's not missing the peg and a D over there. Hopefully I can find those. Then, well, again, continue to clean paint. Need to straighten out this bumper a little bit because it's got a little tweak on each corner. Looks like the previous owners ran that into the corner of something. Need to finish pounding out that dent in this corner. Need to clean up this hood a bit more. Try to get this straightened out a little bit better. You can see there's some tweaks down here where it's not the same. You know, that's pretty much straight up and down, and this is bent back in where it should be. Continue cleaning paint all the way down this side. Oh, need to put the mirror on. Need to put the windshield wipers back on. Those two things I need to do. I need to license it and insure it so that I can put it back on the road and start driving it around. I need to probably do something with that carburetor. That accelerator pump just will not go down. I don't know if you watched the last video, you've seen this. If I floor it, that accelerator pump doesn't go down like it should. I'm thinking it maybe needs a new spring. So, or at least more tension on that spring so that it pushes the accelerator pump down and applies fuel. Let's see. Onto the interior. Need to replace the seat cover. Sandy says it smells, so I'm going to replace the seat cover, try to make that look a lot better, clean up the interior paint as much as I can, try to put in a new headliner of some sort, maybe pound that dent out on the dash. Got to do that. There's rust on the bottom of these doors. I need to fix that somehow. Not sure what I'm going to do there. Maybe just get some license plates and screw them in. But let's see, I got tires. Again, more dents to pound out a little bit more yet. Still more dents there to pound out more. The box is pretty good, but I need to clean up the paint in there. There's some rust down here but that's welded, and I don't have a welder. So I'm not sure, and I don't know how to weld. That's the other problem I have. So need to either just let that live the way it is on both sides, or find somebody that has a welder and knows how to weld in a couple new pieces there. Need to finish cleaning this back glass. I don't know if you can see it, but I got this edge here cleaned up pretty well, but the rest of it is still pretty filthy. You know, just like I did with the windshield. That still needs work. I don't know if I want to spend the time and money, but it would maybe be beneficial to find a new rear glass for this, since that one is so filthy, you know, and it's all pitted up too, so I don't know if I'll ever get it completely clean. Plus the seal is gone. And windshield has a couple chips in it. I don't know if you guys seen those when I was cleaning it. There's one right up in there. And there's another one someplace, I thought. Yep. It's right here. I don't know how well you can see it, but that one's right there. Need to have those chips fixed. And then maybe clean up some more glass a little bit more paint. Oh, need to put in the window seals around here and around there, so that can maybe get cleaned up and sealed up a little better. This door down here is a lot worse than the other side because you can really see how it's rusted out. Don't know what I'm going to do there. I think they make a lower half of that panel, but again, I don't have a welder and I don't know how to weld, so not sure how I'm going to fix that or repair that. More cleaning. Oh, here's something. If anybody got any idea of where I can get the arms or sun visors for this truck, that's what I'm really looking for right now. I can't find those anywhere. But if anybody's got any ideas on where I might be able to find those, let me know, because I'd love to be able to get my hands on some sun visors for this. I don't know what happened to them, but they're gone. I mean, that door shuts really nice. It's just all rusted out on the bottom. But again, just a lot of cleaning of paint. I think that's what I'm going to probably spend most of my winter doing, is just trying to get the paint cleaned up. And there you have it, guys. That's kind of my plans for season 3 and what I gotta do yet. What else do you think I need to do? I got all kinds of things I probably need to do, but I need suggestions on how I can make this better. Okay, talk to you later. Okay, we moved some stuff out of the way. Is anything going in? Anywhere? I don't see nothing. Let's try. I can't hold the light. Let's try that. Sounds like when I push on that, it does squirt something. Let's go take a look at the video. Okay, here's the idle. What's that supposed to be doing? Okay guys, I decided to fancy the truck up a little bit, and so I ordered one of these seat covers from Raybuck. So if you guys are looking for a seat cover, well, this is what I ordered. We'll see how it goes on later this year. Okay guys, I got the seat cover from Raybuck. Shall we open it up and see what I got? Alright, so inside of here is the seat cover. Looks like a set of instructions and maybe let's see what else is in here. A bunch of hog rings. So instructions and hog rings maybe. Yeah, let's just set those on there. Set them there. And then, careful. Here's the seat cover. Wow, that looks like really nice material. Let's take it out of the box. So there's the seat cover. I also got the burlap to cover the seat with. And I got the seat foam. So that's what it looks like in this box. We'll just set that stuff back in here. Let's take a look at the seat cover. So this is the back side of the seat cover. It's an open back seat, so I don't need anything back there. And then the front looks like this. Now is this the back or the bottom? Let's unravel the other thing and see what else we got. Okay. There is, I bet you this is the back. And the other half is the bottom. Don't you think? Looks like some really nice material. Nice tweed. This looks like this will look pretty good on this truck. Very nice. High quality stuff. What do you guys think? Will that look good in the back of the, or in this, inside the cab of this truck? I think it will. Looks pretty nice. But there you have it. That's what I ordered. And sometime later this year we will put this in and put that on the seat, or put it in, put the seat cover on, and then you'll see how that goes. So keep watching. Season 3 has got some exciting stuff. Oh, well, look at this. They said they were giving me hog ring pliers. And it's these tiny little things. I don't know if you guys can see them over there, but these are really small little hog ring pliers. I'll probably have to get me some new ones. Something that'll be a little easier on my hands. I didn't even see them because they were hidden behind the hog rings. So here's another little something I ordered and got. There we go. There's my missing letter. And I got another E that has both pins on it, so we're in good shape there. If anybody else needs a D or an O, let me know. I have a couple extra letters. My G, though, that I bought with this set, though, has a broken tab. So with that, that one ain't very good. But if somebody doesn't mind if they want broken tabs, I got an E and a G with broken tabs. But that should complete the letters for the front of my truck. And I probably should have had that down there a little bit further. There's my missing letter D. I don't know, maybe you guys could see it with the other camera. Yeah, you could see me over there. Now, if anybody knows where I might be able to find a couple sun visors, let me know, because I'm really looking for these things. Can't find the arms. I can find the sun visor itself, you know, the flappy part, but the arm and the mount are the things that I can't find anywhere.
Me and the boys was sitting around drinking, we was talking about things that we was thinking, when all of a sudden what comes out of Bill's mouth? Said I'm getting old and fat and slow, and I don't recover like I did before from nights of rabble, rousing and too much fun. Well, I looked around and we all agreed, and I had a drink and I ordered 3, and I staggered back to do it all again. And we made an oath on a rum and coke with the best intention, I'm sure you know, that we would stop this living in excess. We're gonna have one more party, one more special occasion. Do it Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, holidays and weekends. We can have one more party. There's more hell we should be raising. One more party now, one